Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
I'm standing before you saying this. Even my greatest rival today met me with Yaradua. Atiku met me with Yaradua. I was one of the youngest, brilliant strategists of Lake Shehu Yaradua. He was just out of custom that time. Ask him to go and read the civil service regulation. They asked him questions. How did you make money? He said from selling cars. Can you as a civil servant involve in other trade and businesses?
No.
You have attracted disqualification. You don't deserve to compete with others. Drawn inspiration, I've said that. My political history is full of examples of long, abiding support for the North. No Ribadu was on our platform. I've supported Atiku Abubakar in 2007.
Shakapan of the North.
Then, don't blame me if I ask for the payback period. It's payback. Let him endorse me now. Instead of conducting rally around Kaduna, why I'm talking to great people here.